Hi, Becca. Thank you so much for all you've done for all of us and for pulling everybody together and for just being Super Becca.
Becca, thank you so much for what you did for this community, as well for each and every one of the artists that were a part of Workshop Week. I really don't have words to describe it because it's so amazing, and it's because of you and your team that things like this happen. So just thank you so much for what you do for this community. It means so much to me, and I know so many of the other artists and people that are a part of it. Talk to you soon.
Hey Becca, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for giving me a chance to be a part of Workshop Week last week. You and Kelsey and Nicole did such an amazing job, and it was a huge honor to be a part of the event with so many other incredible and amazing artists. Thank you all so much. Thank you so much for having the idea to put this event together. You are absolutely fantastic, you and the entire team. Thank you so much, and hope you're having a fantastically amazing and wonderful week.
Hey Becca, love from Ellie Boo. I just thoroughly enjoyed the entire week. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything, for your friendship, for getting me on board, for just it's been a wonderful opportunity, and I hope for many more. And yeah, just sending you a huge amount of love, and I hope you've recovered as well from Workshop Week.
We love you, Becca. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much for everything you've done during Workshop Week, just for having a dream and having a vision and bringing it to reality. That's a big deal. That's a really big deal. And I think not enough has been said about that. The courage that it takes, the audacity that it takes to do something like that, to say, you know what, I'm going to try this thing that I haven't seen before, and I'm going to ask the people that I respect and admire and love to hang out with and connect with on Instagram and elsewhere. I'm going to ask them to participate in my big, audacious dream with me. That's such a big deal. That's such a big thing. And I'm just so incredibly appreciative that you included me in that big, audacious dream. Of building this community, of building, Workshop Week, of, bringing together 30,000, 40,000, I don't even know how many, tens of thousands of people from all across the globe, from all backgrounds and different walks of life, all coming together in the spirit of creativity and art and passion and happiness and positivity. And God knows we have all sorely missed that over the past year and a half. So just thank you. Thank you so much for pulling this together, for making it come to fruition. I know you had a team working with you who believed just as strongly in your dream as you did. I think for all of us instructors, we can certainly say that we believed just as strongly in that dream, and just so appreciative to be part of Workshop Week 2021, the first inaugural Workshop Week. Wow, I almost feel like that's like a history-making thing to say now. But there just aren't enough words to aptly say thank you. So I'm just going to keep it short and simple like that. Thank you so much.
Hey Becca, just wanted to say thank you so much for inviting me to participate in Workshop Week. I had a blast and you killed it. You definitely have a knack for community unlike anyone else, and I'm just super grateful that I could witness it and be a part of it. So I hope you're getting all the rest and relaxation that you need. You totally earned it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing everything you have lined up for the rest of the year.
Becca, you are amazing. You are the best, and I just wanted to tell you thank you for everything.
Baby, I'd rather be dead. Oh, each time you leave me, I start losing control. Like you're walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel you, babe, even when I'm alone. Baby, don't let go, 'cause you're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I've ever met. And I'm stuck on your heartbeat. I ain't on every word you say. We tear us apart. Well, I would rather be dead. Ooh. Ooh. know.